Hi guys, I'm gonna help you out if you're having problem with a Viper alarm with the installation. This is gonna help you. This is like the troubleshooting menu. See, if the starter kill doesn't work, you could try this. The second one will be if the shock sensor doesn't trigger the alarm. And then if the system will not passively arm until it's remotely unarmed and disarmed. Door input doesn't respond with the progressive trigger, but with immediately full alarm. This is the thing you could try. The bellet button doesn't work. And the status LED doesn't work. See, you could try all these things. You can pause the video to check what you need, okay? Thank you.